Good morning, Brooklyn class, and welcome back to Homeschool with Carly, where I share daily lessons for you to either watch or follow along. And don't forget to hit subscribe below so you can get notified every time I create a new video. Today is really special because you are going to learn a magic trick. Yes, a real magic trick that you can do at home. So for this magic trick, you need a couple of supplies. First being a glass cup or jar, a piece of plain cardboard, which I just cut off of a box, and some coins. I'm choosing 3 plain pennies, okay? So for this activity, you need to take your glass cup and place it directly in front of you, okay? Take your piece of cardboard and place it directly on top of the glass cup. You want your cardboard to be centered. So as you can see, this is not centered. I have it a little bit to the left. So I'm going to want to center my cardboard, okay? Then you're going to take your coins, all right? And I'm going to stack mine on top of each other, and I'm going to place it directly on top of the glass jar on the cardboard, okay? So you can see nothing is special. It's directly stacked, okay? Next, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to flick the cardboard. What do you think is going to happen to these pennies on top of the cardboard? Is Carly going to be cleaning up pennies off of her floor because they went flying? Or what do you think's going to happen? Let's find out, okay? So I'm going to do the first part of this trick is to do the action. So I'm going to flick the cardboard. Let's find out what happens. So wait a minute, what just happened? Where are the pennies? They're actually in the cup. So wait a minute, I just flicked this piece of cardboard and the cardboard went flying, but the pennies went directly into the cup. So let's think about this for a second. I had the cardboard and I placed it directly on top of the glass cup, okay? And I flicked it, right? So I acted upon this cardboard with a force, right? The force being my finger. And I hit the cardboard and the cardboard went flying across the room. But the pennies just dropped into the glass. Do you know what that's called? That is called inertia. Okay, inertia was discovered by Newton, okay, and he was a really important scientist. And the law of inertia means that anything that is in motion stays in motion, and anything that is still, right, and is not moving stays still. So because this was hit with a force, it stayed in motion, right, and it went flying this direction. But the pennies were not acted upon by a force. So the pennies dropped into the glass jar, right? The only thing that was acted upon was this cardboard. So the only thing that went flying was the cardboard. How cool is that? So no matter how high I stacked my pennies, I could have used 20 pennies, right? And had the stack way up here. No matter how many pennies, no matter if you use quarters, no matter if you use dimes, nickels, whatever you choose, the only thing that is going to go in motion is the object that you put force upon, right? And then it goes in motion and everything else stays still. But when the cardboard left the glass jar, right? These pennies had nothing to stand on. They can't stand on air, right? So they dropped directly into the cup. How cool is science? So I really hope you enjoyed this activity. I can't wait to see if you guys do this activity, right? Maybe we amazed your parents by this activity, or someone in your family, or a nurse. I don't know, but you have to try this trick. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!